Hey babes, this is the Amber Venus, and I'm actually only wearing it on the side. All shades beside the middle and the brown metallic. So this is this side, and I'm comparing it. Oh, here you can see the shades nicely. I'm wearing the original Ethereal eyes, but not the first year batch, but the second year one. I also find this formula is very pleasant, while the Moonlight of last year was it kicks up so much dust, and it's so powdery, it creases very fast on me. So yeah, I was kind of mad at the Mario formula, while this one is very nice, I find. So I'm sorry, I'm fidgeting around. I'm wearing a mix of the gray and the warmer crease shade here, and I'm actually wearing this matte on the lid space now. So this eye is visibly blurred in comparison to the shimmer that I'm wearing on this eye. So, and overall this look is just a bit more glam. This is a bit more natural. It boils down to this one and this warmer mid-tone brown in the crease. Where's my look? That's not so easy with one hand, and they don't recline all the way, neither of them. Hold on. So yeah, so of course this is much more neutral than this warm crease shade, and it's also darker. I tried to mix these, which turns out fairly more neutral than this one alone. This one alone is warmer than this. Well, it seems like it, but this actually applies quite dark. Yeah, this one I'm wearing on my lid. So of course we're having a new round of Mario's Ethereal. Here we have a lot more mattes, and I really do not gravitate towards these sparkles in the packaging though. Really don't like it. It's heavy. I know many people are so into it. Quite thick here, and there's no reason for it. I mean, of course, the weight is in the bottom of this. I wish it was just a little compartment, which would be so cute and handy, especially considering this shape, almost like a little vintage pill box. So yeah, you could store earrings and pills in there. Healthy pills, please. And so I'm off. I hope you can just somewhat okay. But I will see when I look at the footage. I think if you love the Mario formula or you missed out, I read on his homepage that they actually improved the suede mattes, which was very necessary because of last year's Moonlight palette. Again, those mattes were too powdery, not long wearing. Specifically, it said that they would last longer now. So I'm confident that they fixed that to, to match up with the original quality. The Mario is much softer, and this has much more pigment in each shade. and ultimately it looks quite a bit more glam versus blurring natural softer look. Well, thank you for watching. My eyeshadows are ready to go. Needs a primer, but I'm wearing the Slip Turn Set Slippy. No wonder.
Are the pilgrims in the new world to Plymouth?
Plymouth.